Hello and welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about my English journey. What is the problem which I face and how I manage that problem to learn this language. And you might be feeling problem that sometimes you think I'm not able to speak in this language. Let's quit. But this is the time you don't have to quit because I also face this situation in my life too. I also do a lot of things. I also try to remember the vocabulary, try to study grammars, but still I was not getting any result. And at a point, I thought, let's quit because it's not for me and I'm not gonna learn this language anymore. But remember one thing, every darkest night, the lightest night will also come. So keep this thing in your mind whenever your mind tell that let's quit to learn this language. Let me just tell you a story of mine. When I was in ninth standard, I was thinking I have to speak this language, but I don't know how to speak and how it's gonna challenging for me. I don't have any idea. I thought I will learn this language anyhow. So I started my English speaking journey. First problem that I faced a lot when I tried to speak in my friends, all of them were making fun of. They were saying, what are you speaking? Are you Angrez? But one thing I remember, he's asking me how you have learned this language. So don't take on yourself. Anybody is making fun of you right now. So you are thinking, oh, this guy made fun of me. I will take revenge of it. Yes, you will take when you will learn this whole. Then you will take revenge of it. I'm not saying don't take revenge. If you are in the phase right now where you can't able to speak English, might be some of your friends who is making fun of you. So don't give answer to their fun right now. First, you just need to learn this language and then go outside and speak in front of them fluently without even hesitate and show them that I made it. Definitely, he will feel jealous on you because in the beginning they stop you, but right now you are able to speak in English. So this was the first problem which I faced a lot. And second problem, guys, before this content, I was making content in English, but viewers were saying that I'm not getting any value from your content. So now I thought I just need to change my mind. I just suddenly come here and speaking about any topic. So I don't have to do that things again because if I'm not adding any value in your life, why you will watch me? So that's why I will talk about any particular topic from where you will get something. You will get help. I can add some value in your life. So that's why I'm talking about all the specific things that will give you some solution of your problems. And my intention on that I have to provide value to my audience. So let's come on the point. I was talking about problem that I faced in my life. First problem I already talk about, and the second one is when I try to speak in front of anybody else, words were not coming in my mind. I get blank. I don't know what to speak now because in my mind there was nothing. If someone asked me, like I have made some friends while I was practicing, so I made 3 and 4 friends, and when I try to speak with them, my mind went blank. There is nothing inside of my mind. There is no any words which I can use to talk with them. So they were saying, Full Babu, what are you doing? Why just facing this problem? You are here for practicing, but when I ask you something, you are not giving answer of that problems. Why? Then I said, bro, I don't know why it's happening with me. When I come to speak and when I try to answer your question, my mind went blank. There is nothing inside of my mind and I don't know what to speak. So that's why I don't speak. So they told me one thing we all have to do first when we are going to practice, we just specify the topic. Like this is the topic and we are going to talk on this topic. If I just keep this target to our mind, then after we will search some words regarding that topic. So whenever we have to say something about that topic, at least we have words which we have studied. So we can easily use that words in our conversation. So this is the way we can reduce the problem of blank because we already have that words which we are going to talk about. So we can easily speak on that topic. So let's decide the topic on which topic we will talk. Yeah, we have decided that tomorrow we will talk about travel. Here is a specific topic, that is travel. So now we have to talk in this topic on traveling. So come on our home and start open chat GTP. At that time, chat GTP was not that much popular. It becomes now. So I come at home and open Google. I ask Google how I will practice about traveling. So they just give me some words. I ask about the words which is used, frequent used in travel when we talk about travel topics. So the words which is used in that. So they just give me the words and we start talking. We start mimic that words and we just keep in our mind that this is the words which I will use tomorrow when we will practice about travel. So this is how I just finish the problem of blank when I go to speak and my mind get blank. So this is how I finish this problem. Third problem which I faced a lot. And one of my teacher or SP Patel sir who gave me this solution of this problem. So we are not even, start our conversation in English. We don't know what to say and how to speak and how to talk. What our SP Patel sir does for us, like they just call a student from the benches, like the students who were sitting. So they just call one of the students among them and they just told him to, stand at the stage. There was a stage in my classroom. So they tell ki just come any one of them and stand over here. And all the students who were sitting there, so they were start asking questions. So first questions is asked like, what's your name? So they say, my name is Full Babu. Where are you from? I'm from these places. What do you do? I'm a student. So this is how I started my English practicing. And from where, like after some time, sir just given any topic that this is the topic we will discuss tomorrow. So everybody just take it. Everybody just take this topic in their notes and copy and pen, and they just go at their home and they start practicing on that topic. And the next day, sir just call any of the students and say, just come on the stage and just give what you study about this topic, what you know about this topic. So like one day our sir given us a topic that was Indian Army. So we just went to the stage and are talking like, just because of our Indian Army, we are safe and we are just living here without any tension. Our Indian soldiers would not be there on the border, so anyone can attack ourselves. So we can't live peacefully. So we just given our speech on that topic. And this is how in our initially days, this is how we learn this language and this is how we try to speak in this language. And also I'm gonna give you some tips that you will follow to learn this language. There is 2 and 3 things that you just need to follow. First, try to listen more and more, because when you will listen any language in your subconscious, their words, your subconscious is noticing that words at that time. So don't say that if I'm not understanding these things, why I will listen in this language? Not at all. If you will listen, your subconscious is getting some words. They are remembering the words and somehow you will feel what does meaning of this words and how I'm gonna remember more and more words. Because when you are listening any language, there is a words like work. So you will repeat listening work words again and again. Work, 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 work. In that language, in the podcast and the videos and the song that you are listening. So there are not only one times that word comes. That words comes in so many times. So that's why your subconscious catch that words and you will start learning that language. You will understanding that language. So yeah, this is how you can learn this language. And I have also followed these rules to learn. And I hope you will get something from this video. Till then, bye and see you in the next video. If you want to more valuable content on how to fluent in English, then you can subscribe to channel and comment below what the step that you are going to take today. Bye.